Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're taking comfort food to the next level. We're talking rich, creamy, luxurious mashed potatoes, topped with the smoothest, silkiest, most delicious gravy you've ever had. So whether it's the holidays, a special occasion, or let's face it, maybe you just deserve it, it's time to ignore that calorie app and indulge. Start with 3 pounds of rough cut and rinsed gold or red potatoes in a pot with water. Cover and bring to a boil over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Then drain and add 1 stick of rough cut butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup sour cream. Give all that a quick smash and mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dill, 2 tablespoons chopped green onion, salt and pepper to taste. Now we'll add even more flavor and some kick with about 1/2 ounce of our XXXTRA hot sauce. Give all that a good mix and set it aside because it's time to make some gravy. In a small pot, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Add a total of 1/4 cup of flour a little at a time while whisking constantly. Once it becomes smooth, gradually add 2 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock and continue to whisk. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of dried thyme, and a few drops of our XXXTRA hot sauce. Now bring to a boil while whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until this thickens up perfectly. And once you get that beautiful silky texture, it's ready to go. It's time to serve up this heavenly combo to your friends and family. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.